In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the appearance settings on your Lovabale account. Whether you're looking to freshen things up or simply want to personalize your interface a bit more, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive in and walk through each step together. To begin, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Lovabale account. Once you're on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen, where you'll find the profile icon. It might look like a small user avatar or your own profile picture, depending on how you've set up your account. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This step is essential as it grants you access to your personal settings and preferences, including all things related to appearance. After clicking your profile icon, you'll notice a menu or list of options appear. Take your time to look through these choices, but what you're specifically searching for is the appearance option. This might be placed among other settings such as security, notifications, or general preferences, so be sure to scroll if necessary. Once you spot the appearance option, give it a click. Now, you're in the appearance section. This is where the magic happens, as you're able to make alterations to your visual experience on Lovabale. Within this section, you might see a variety of options like themes, colors, and layout choices. Consider what changes you'd like to see. Perhaps you want to switch to a dark mode theme for those late night work sessions, or maybe a splash of color is more your style, to brighten up your daily browsing. If at any point you find yourself unsure, take your time to explore these options. There's no rush. You can always click around different themes and see a preview of what they would look like, without committing to any change right away. This is a great opportunity to try out different styles and choose what feels best for you. Once you've customized the appearance settings to your liking, don't forget to save any changes if prompted. This will ensure that the adjustments you've made are applied and ready for you the next time you log in. Before you exit, take a moment to double check that everything looks as desired. And that's it. You've successfully changed the appearance on your Lovabale account. Customizing your workspace can enhance your productivity and provide a more enjoyable user experience, and you've handled it like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to explore more ways to personalize your experience on Lovabale. Happy customizing!